Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sele Kalio. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, thank you for coming back. If you like to shop any of our skincare products, ingredients, and so many other things, please use the link in the description bar to go to our Flutterwave website, and also make sure that you follow me on social media on Instagram at Posh Skin Secrets PHC. We are trying as much as possible to post as consistently as we can. And yeah, we are back. We're back for good. So please follow me on all social media platforms. The links are down in the description bar, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, to the video of the day. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made this whipped foaming scrub. It is so fluffy, so beautiful, and this is something that you can make and start selling on your own as your own brand, and you can make them in different colors and all of that. So I'm going to show you how I made this product. If you like to learn how I made the base, definitely check in the description bar. You'll get the link to how I made the base that I used for this scrub. So without any further ado, please let us jump right into the video. So first of all, you're going to need a beaker or any container that you can use to make this product. I am using beakers, and that's how I break my beakers every day when I work, but oh well. So you're going to pour some of the base into the beaker. Now note that this is for a scrub, so I'm not really measuring anything. I'm just putting some of the base into the beaker, and I'm going to add my scrub abrasive, because I know some of you will come and say, you did not measure it. I'm not measuring it. I'm making a scrub. I'm not using any actives or anything. I'm just showing you how you can use the base to make the scrub. Okay? All right, let's move on. If you would like to learn how I made this beautiful versatile base, go and click this link up here. I showed you how I made this base from scratch, and it is such a versatile base that you can use for whipped soap, whipped cream soap, shaving cream, whipped butter, what's it called, soap butter, whatever you want. You can even use it for a facial wash, and I will make a video on that as well. Now I went ahead to whisk this to perfection. My god, the whipped form of this cream base or melt and pour base or soap scrub base, whatever you want to call it, is so fluffy that if you don't hold yourself, you might even end up eating it. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So I went ahead to whip it until it tripled or doubled in size. I like to go overboard with my stuff, so I whipped it until it almost filled up the beaker, and this is a 600 ml beaker. And I kept whipping and whipping and whipping and whipping. So you can whip at intervals. You can whip for a few minutes and you stop, give it a rest, go ahead and whip again, because of course you want to protect your equipment that you're using. So if you whip for too long on a go with this kind of hand mixer, you might end up burning it or spoiling it. So I whipped for a while, I stopped, I went back, I whipped again, I stopped, just like that until I got the exact consistency or exact whippedness, if there's any word like that, that I wanted. So just go ahead and whip till you get the result that you want. And then I try to color it. I try to use this very vibrant banana mica powder, but I guess I wasn't seeing the powder, I wasn't seeing the beauty while I was doing this, because now looking at it, I love this color. I love the color. It's so light. It has this lemony, orangey, banana-y, I don't even know, very tinted hue of orange, of yellow, and I loved it. But while I was filming this, I didn't see how beautiful this was. So I went ahead and used leaf green because I wanted that green color, or lemony color. So I went and I added a tiny little bit of the green. And don't get me wrong, I actually did love the green at this point as well. So let me make this clear. When you're using colors, make sure you at least give your product a few minutes to rest before you decide whether you're adding more or not, because looking at it now, this color is beautiful, but my Aurora will not allow me. I still went ahead in the future, you will see in the future, and I went ahead and added some more because it is Sele. I always add more. So as you can see, look at that. Look at how creamy and buttery this product is. This is one of my best creations so far. Like, apart from my porcelain product, this is one of my best products so far. So I also went ahead to use this salt spa scrub. You can definitely use sugar, especially if you have sensitive skin. You can definitely use sugar, but I didn't have sugar around and I needed to make this video, so I used the scrub, salt spa scrub that I had lying around, just for illustrations, just for you to see how this product works. And you don't have to use this particular scrub. You can use sugar, you can use fenugreek seeds, you can use whatever exfoliating abrasive that you have around. You can definitely use it, but make sure you're using the ones that are safe for use on your face, if you will be using this on your face. And yes, of course, this is me adding more powder, which I think was a wrong move. I should have just left it the way it was, but it still came out nice. But I think I like the lighter color of it. So I'm going to try to create another scrub and use a lighter color. But yeah, this is what the color looked like. I think I went ahead to add more green because I didn't like the orangey hue that the salt scrub was giving, so I wanted to eliminate that completely. And I went ahead to use my hand mixer just to make sure all the colors are well incorporated, and I gave that a whisk again. And oh my god, this product is amazing. It is so beautiful. Ooh, look at that. It is so beautiful, and it holds its form. It doesn't move, it doesn't break. In fact, just listen to Brian tell you himself.
Oh, guys, it doesn't drop. Even if you're trying to drop it, you can't. It won't drop. Like, I'm serious. Look. I'm shaking my hand as fast as I can. It's not dropping. It's not. So see. So you guys should definitely buy this product. Okay. My name is V.
There you have it. Brian said it all. It doesn't pour. It just holds its form. And then I went ahead to pack it in this beautiful transparent container. Because I wanted to show off the beautiful color, I decided to use this container. And if you would like to buy our scrubs, you can check on our website. We have different ones, we have different colors, different properties that were used to make it. And yeah, you're just going to really love this product. So this is what we have. See how cute this is. I used an old container, so of course you would see some of the labels trying to still stick on there. So this is what we have. Very beautiful and very fluffy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any suggestions for videos, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Guys, I am back, and I am back for good, bringing you back-to-back products and videos. Now this is me testing the ladder of the soap, and you can see how beautiful it cleans. Like, all the colors on my glove went off, so you can imagine how nice and beautiful this will be on your skin. And this soap base is very okay for kids. You can use it on your face as well. I'm going to tweak the recipe and create a bar facial soap in another video. I hope I remember. And yeah, so guys, Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you'd like to join any of our classes, upcoming classes for January, send a WhatsApp message in the using the link in the description bar. If you like to get our ebook, you're a beginner and you like to get our ebook to learn about the basics of skincare formulation, definitely use the link in the description bar. And this is Brian just wanting to be my model and test out the product. Okay, here is our finished product, looking beautiful as always. And yeah, and I will most definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.